Hi, my name is Andrea, and I'm the social media specialist here at GANS, and today I'm going to show you how to download high-res images of your GANS products from our website. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to GANS.com and click Login at the top right-hand corner. Then type in your login credentials and hit Sign In. This will bring up your dashboard. From here, you can choose from your latest orders or click View All Orders if the one you're looking for isn't there. Once you find the order you're looking for, click on the order number to pull up the order details. From here, you can double-check your order to see what products are included, and then go ahead and click Download High-Res Images. These will be saved in a zip folder in your Downloads folder. So head on over to your Downloads folder and open up the zip folder, and there are your high-res images ready to be posted. Feel free to use these on your website or social media pages, and don't forget to tag us. Those are all my tips for you today, but we'll have more quick tips for you over the next few weeks for posting on social media. If you have any questions or anything you want to see covered in these videos, send us an email at socialmedia@gans.com and we'll be happy to answer your questions there.